I'm going to give you guys an update on the cervical M6 artificial disc because many people are waiting for it and they're calling. So here's the scoop. The artificial discs are now FDA approved, as you know. We have the discs, we can get the discs. The problem is we don't have the sets to insert the discs, all the little instruments and tools that we use. We're waiting for those. We're being told that the sets for insertion of the M6 artificial disc will be ready by late May or early June. What's unique about the M6 is the core of the disc, the artificial disc, is compressible just like your natural disc. Where most of the artificial discs out there have a solid core. I myself have solid core discs. If you're interested in getting a cervical M6, you probably should come see me pretty soon so that I can get you scheduled for May or June. That way, when the sets come in, you'll have your surgery planned and I'll be able to insert your M6 cervical disc. So it might be best to come in sooner rather than later, but that's when the sets will be available across the country. I think they're going to start releasing a few selected sets in the beginning, mostly to the principal investigators that were a part of the study. So I'll have access to that and we'll get started. And I'll take care of you and get you fixed up. Talk to you next time.